South of Madrid is Toledo. The city on the hill overlooking the Tagus River was the Visigothic capital after the collapse of the Western Roman Empire, and later the Castilian capital. The castle, the Alcazar of Toledo, was once used as a Roman palace in the 3rd century. Toledo is a rich mixture of Roman, Visigothic, Arab, Christian, and Jewish cultures, and it adds a blend of colors to the Spanish quilt. There is an interesting Roman bridge in Toledo, with towers on both sides of the river. The city side tower leads up to the Old Town, which has an elaborate system of walls, gates, and watchtowers, some of which date back to the Roman times. This medieval labyrinth leads us to the town center and a cathedral. The city has a large medieval Jewish quarter, with museums in 2 restored Sephardic synagogues. The first, called El Transito, is the 14th century building which has a Mudéjar polychrome stucco work and massive paneled ceiling. The other one is a 12th century building converted to a church called Santa Maria la Blanca. It's also a Mudéjar style and looks more like a mosque.